Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today from a price action perspective, and then you factor in, down here, biggest volume this chart has seen for quite a while. Then yeah, a lot of eyeballs on this one. I do realize though there is a little bit of perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean if you're a day trader and you bought, right there, or you bought right there, then and you want to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's probably looking pretty rough. But I am definitely making these comments more so from just a broad scheme of things perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably just had a different type perspective going into the trade itself. But overall, key level of support and what I would call the ideal level going into next week is going to be all about this level right here at what is that, about $1.43. $1.43 you can see is in the area where on several occasions the bears try to press down through it. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job holding up above that level. Now, if the price breaks below there, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold up above there, that would certainly be best case scenario going forward next week. Taking a step back though and looking at things from definitely more so a broader term point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Any way you can slice it, or any way you can picture it, I should say, that is what's being represented there. Now, sure, again, staying above $1.43 would be great, but big picture, stay above that purple line. The bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance going to be basically the top of this little miniature channel pattern right here at $1.60. If the price can break through $1.60, then yeah, you can start to talk about up here around the $1.75 mark. But one step at a time. The first step is just obviously maintaining these levels of support. But if there is any sort of bounce, $1.60 and then up there around $1.75. All in all though, good solid move today. We'll see if this one can build upon this momentum next week or not. But yeah, everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.